Give reasons for the following observation. First is leather get hardened after tanning. The reason behind this is animal skin is colloidal in nature and has positively charged particles, whereas tanning consists of negatively charged colloidal particles. When a hide is soaked in tanning, mutual coagulation takes place and as a result leather get hardened. The second is lyophilic soil is more stable than lyophobic soil. The stability of lyophilic soils is a result of two factors: the presence of a charge and the solvation of colloidal particles. On the other hand, the stability of lyophobic soils is only because of the presence of a charge. Thus, the lyophilic soil is more stable than lyophobic soil due to the extensive solvation. Third is it is necessary to remove CO when ammonia is prepared by Haber process. It is necessary to remove CO when ammonia is prepared by Haber process because CO acts as an poison and adversely affects the activity of iron catalyst used in the process.